Transform your kitchen prep with the KEOUKE Rotary Cheese Grater, the ultimate tool for effortless grating, slicing and shredding. Designed to free your hands, this grater makes quick work of cheese, fruits, vegetables, nuts and even chocolate. Create uniform shreds and perfect slices for salads, curly fries, pasta or any dish in seconds. The unique feeding port design ensures safety, protecting your hands from the blades while keeping meal prep easy and fun. This versatile kitchen essential combines 3 interchangeable blades, giving you the flexibility to julienne, slice or grind, all in one compact tool. From shredded carrots to powdered cheese or sliced potatoes, it's your all-in-one solution. Built with a humanized design, it features powerful suction feet for stability on smooth surfaces and is incredibly easy to operate. Its compact size saves valuable storage space, and the disassemblable parts make cleaning quick and hassle-free. Crafted from 100% BPA-free food-grade ABS plastic and sharp stainless steel blades, this grater is not only safe but also durable for everyday use. Cleanup is a breeze. Just rinse under running water or pop it in the dishwasher. Whether you're cooking for family or friends, the KEOUKE Rotary Cheese Grater makes an ideal gift for kitchen enthusiasts. Always buy original products and avoid copies to enjoy the trusted quality and performance KEOUKE offers. Make your kitchen prep smarter, faster and safer. Order your KEOUKE Rotary Cheese Grater today.